Holt Elementary. And we are very, very, very close to my old house. Elm Drive now. Oh my God. Well, I made it in. So the third house on the right is the house that I lived in before I moved to Foley, and this is the house right here. Giant oak trees. Uprooted. This is Chad McCaleb's old house. Camp's house. Oh God. And we're at my grandmother's house. And we're about to find out what the fuck these people are doing right here. What are you doing? Okay, we're at my grandmother's house. And trees used to be all through here. Trees, 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 trees. So what we're going to do now is find the storm pit that everyone was in and try to find Joe Cooper. It's Buddy and Shirley's house. Lisa's car, Mama's car. The windows blown out. Salvageable, hopefully. Buddy, Shirley, their pool. This used to be my papa's shed. There used to be dozens of houses back through there. I'm going to go and try and check on the Coopers. Get him, Seal. Get him. Come on. Bah. This is the top of my grandmother's canner. And there's a deep freeze somewhere with Papa's pecans. This old punching bag. Oh, this is going to be dangerous. You'll eat that food if you get hungry. You will eat that. That's the utility room. Hey, little man. And the front yard. I don't know how the fuck I'm getting in this house, but just not sure. Oh my god, there's nails fucking everywhere. Trees all gone. All gone. Oh, that's Butch's house. He has a fallout shelter. Snyder's house again. I don't even know how we're getting in this place. Front yard. The roof is caved in a little bit. See ya. This is the living room. Everything's fine and dry. Check the clothes. And this is the kitchen. And the bay window. And the view outside the kitchen. No houses left. Nothing. Alright, dining room. View out of the dining room window. Surprisingly, everything is dry. And this is where everything starts buckling in. The walls. That glass is all there. And view out of the dining room. Dozens of houses gone. That concrete slab was Papa's shed. It's gone. Hallway. And the ceiling's buckling. Bathroom, everything looks normal in there. And here is Papa's office. Here we go. And Papa would have been sitting right there because he never went to the storm pit. Okay. And shit. This is my grandmother's room. I lifted the roof up off of here. Still 4 walls. And this wall's buckled in. That's Miss Snyder's house, which is gone. She was in the storm pit, thankfully. And this is Papa's room. And the closet. I'm not sure what punctured the brick that came through here. But the clothes still hanging. This is out of the bedroom window. And this right there is the storm pit that everyone survived in. Joe Cooper's house, no longer. And the bathroom. Just horrible. Come through here. Excuse me. Back in the front yard. And these are all volunteers.
I think they got flares up.
Lined up all down the road. They better be volunteers. They better not be sightseeing up through here.
I thought most of these people rubbernecking.
Power lines are good, G. Got more volunteers coming out. I'm talking on the video. Just all the people that have just come out of nowhere. This is Mama and Papa's backyard. You can even see the water tower. Just crazy. Right there. Full with all trees. Just random people walking with chainsaws helping out.
I'm not doing much moving around, but I got to just about 10 degrees.
Joe Cooper's house. Creek Road. It's a total loss. There's 24 houses, maybe 30 houses that used to be through there that are gone. This is one of the hardest hit areas. It's the Whaley's house. They had huge trees. Huge trees. Mr. Hitt, Oliver Hitt's house that built my old house that I used to live in that's gone. That's East Park. This is Soma Church in front of us, who have been great volunteers. And up here on the left is what used to be a trailer park. This used to be a horse stable with horses, which I don't know. And this is the Soma volunteers, which have been awesome people. And this is no longer a trailer park, no longer anything.